In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Gander Outdoors account to access your orders and manage your account details seamlessly. Getting started is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First off, open your web browser of choice. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable using. Once your browser is open, you'll need to head over to the Gander Outdoors website. Simply type in www.ganderoutdoors.com into the address bar and hit enter. This action will take you directly to the homepage of Gander Outdoors, where all the adventure and gear options await you. Now that you're on the website, your next step is to sign in to your account. To do this, glance over to the top right corner of the homepage. There you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your Gander Outdoors account. Make sure to input these details correctly to avoid any sign-in issues. If you happen to have forgotten your password, there is normally an option to reset it right on that page, which can be very handy. Upon successfully signing in, you will now see either your account name or an account icon in the top right corner where the sign in button used to be. Once you hover over or click on that name or icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select My Account. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account. With access to the My Account section, you'll find yourself in a space where you can view and manage your orders effectively. In this area, there will be a section dedicated to orders. Click on it to navigate through your past and current orders. This will allow you to track what's on its way, view past purchases, and even access options for returns or exchanges if necessary. Exploring the My Account section also gives you the chance to update your personal information, adjust communication preferences, and manage payment methods, making it versatile for your needs. By familiarizing yourself with this part of the website, you're setting yourself up for a more streamlined and efficient shopping experience at Gander Outdoors in the future. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and you now feel confident navigating Gander Outdoors website and managing your orders. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to their customer service, who are always ready to assist you. Happy shopping and enjoy your adventures with Gander Outdoors.